Welcome to Choose Your Own Adventure. Come join us for some repairs on our Aliner. Alright, so we've got a bit of a problem here with our trailer storage. We had some pretty hardcore rain when we were in Corpus Christi, Texas. I've got to fix this up down here. There's, as you can see, there's some red paint down here on the ground. This has actually come down from the hole is made under here. This whole bit here peeled away. It actually broke away because of the rain. There was so much rain when we were camped down on the beach in Corpus Christi, Texas. Late last year, it was actually December. Living on the edge. The water was funneling down from here, coming down here and just getting in down into the storage compartment down here. So rain's coming down here and going in here. There was just so much of it. There wasn't really much we could do. I didn't really know about it, to be honest. We were more concerned with keeping us dry inside the trailer. But so as a result of that, it's actually, if you can see in there, it's busted away. So like this. So I've got to clear all of this stuff out of here, including the panels and everything. We're currently in storage at a place in California. But yeah, so it's nice and dry now, so I'm going to have to replace the floor, the bottom of the storage container in the front of our Aliner. Here, as you can see, it's a 15-foot Aliner with the Expedition front on here. And yeah, so it's luckily with this, it's just from here on, so we're not having to worry about replacing any of the floor in the trailer. So it's a separate part of it, which is, you know, a big saving grace. But yeah, it'll be a good little project to, you know, to get stuck into, and hopefully it won't take more than about a day, maybe two. All right, join us. Going here, absolutely gone. Hello. So yeah, this is a bit of a problem here. All this water that's been leaking down when we were in Texas has just gone through the carpet and just gone straight into the wood underneath. And just with having all the weight in this storage container has meant that it's just yeah, it's just eaten away at it. And as we've been driving along, it's just the constant up and down of all this stuff in the storage compartment is just and then it just ate this wood away at an even quicker rate. So it's going to be quite the repair job here. At least I've got it exposed now, so let's see how we go. This is what we pulled out of it.
See it? Oh, it looks pretty gnarly. See the hole down here? And that's the inside of the storage container. Aussie strangler.
Alright, so it's pretty good, but just gonna have to cut this down to here.
To the edge a little bit.
Yeah. A little bit, a little bit. What holds it in there, if you see, if I take this out, see, so there's actual frame under here, and the reason why it actually dropped out here when it got wet, because there's nothing under here. It's just the OSB board that used to be here, and that's why you know, here is susceptible to you know, to dropping out where the moisture gets.
It's not a ton of wood over there, so
yeah, it's not. And I'm also, you know, just for people that have the similar A-liners with the storage should also pay attention to this. But always it's worth having a look under your storage and under your A-liner to see where the supports actually are. You know, just to be aware of where you're putting weight on things, because especially if it's anywhere where it gets wet.
Surgery continues.
Yeah. It's probably best to get that.
That's about as gentle as they are when they do lipo on those
On the show. Tell you what, yeah.
Hello, peekaboo. I see you.
So you can see all this bit's pretty dry. You know, this bit wasn't affected, but see, look, there's even a little bit of support there. Kind of a bit all over the place, but so this with this A-liner, this isn't an expedition. It's just an add-on to it that they had. Like, it was a special series back that they did with just the regular A-liners back in 2004 that they just added.
It says expedition on the storage,
Yeah,
but
it's just the storage cover that says expedition. So.
oh, okay. Is it like putting the turbo sticker on your car? Does it make it go faster?
Yeah.
Makes it sportier if we put an expedition sticker on it?
That's good. It's not the prettiest because the blocks are pretty big.
Yeah.
At least it's gonna be strong.
Yeah. Okay.
And 5, 4, 3. Okay. Welcome
God.
back to Glen's world. So yeah, we finally finished the undercarriage. To clean this up a bit, we use a lot of scrap wood, but we also got a little bit of plywood from Home Depot. It's not the prettiest job, but it's pretty secure now. So. It looks a lot nicer on the bottom, but this carpet goes over it and covers it anyway. So I didn't want to replace the whole thing, so I just looked to put a nice strong bit of plywood on there first. Under there, but this is where it looks a lot nicer under here. It's very solid, very solid. There's a little screw coming through there, one of the deep ones. But yeah. Check out my blog, guyandtrailer.com.